How to app clone in Android. So if you want to do an app clone in Android, then first see or check if you have that option or not. Because in some Androids you don't have that option, and if you don't have that option, you can go with your Play Store and then you can install any applications that will help you to clone any application. But if it is available, then what you need to do is simply press and hold on to any one of these applications, and here you will have a clone option. But for this application I don't have that option. You can go with other applications, which is, for example, I'll be choosing Instagram. Tap and hold on to the Instagram application, and here on the bottom you will have app clone. If you tap on app clone, then here you can see that cloned app icon has been added. You can simply uninstall the clone application if you don't want to, and again press and hold on to the messenger, and here you will have app clone option. You can simply go with the app clone. So in this way you'll be able to clone apps in your Android, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.